If you're looking for a used luxury car, you already know the challenge. There are great options out there, and a few traps that can drain your budget. Acura is one of those rare brands that still delivers long-term reliability, reasonable maintenance costs, and that solid, confident feeling behind the wheel. Today, we're going through 6 Acura models that consistently earn praise from mechanics, trusted rating organizations, and thousands of long-term owners. These are cars known for durability, comfort, and the kind of trouble-free ownership people want when choosing a used luxury vehicle. Let's take a closer look at what makes them such smart choices. The Acura TL from 2012 to 2014 is one of the strongest choices in the used luxury sedan market. These are the final and most refined years of the TL, and the updates really matter. This generation offers 2 engines. The base model uses a 3.5-liter V6 with about 280 horsepower, and the SHAWD version comes with a 3.7-liter V6 producing around 305 horsepower. Both engines are known for long-term durability, and many owners report very high mileage with minimal issues. The 6-speed automatic transmission introduced in these years is smoother and more efficient than the older 5-speed, which makes the car feel more modern to drive. Inside, the TL delivers a genuine luxury experience. It comes with leather seats, dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth audio and phone connection, a clear rear-view camera, power-adjustable seats, and a solid factory sound system. Higher trims offer heated seats, built-in navigation, and the ELS premium audio system, which is one of the most praised factory sound systems in any sedan of this era. On the road, the TL feels solid and stable. The suspension does a good job absorbing rough pavement without losing firmness, and the steering gives you a confident, controlled feel. The SHAWD model adds even more grip and stability in rain, snow, or winding roads. There are a few points to pay attention to. Fuel economy is average for a V6 sedan, especially on the 3.7-liter AWD version. Some high-mileage 3.7-liter engines may show light oil consumption over time. And because these cars are more than 10 years old, it is important to check the condition of the suspension, bushings, and make sure major maintenance was done at the correct intervals. Overall, the 2012 to 2014 Acura TL stands out for delivering real luxury, a proven powertrain, strong build quality, and long-term reliability without unexpected repair bills. It is a smart, safe choice for anyone looking for a used luxury sedan that still feels solid and dependable today. Let's move on to the next one, the Acura TSX from 2011 to 2014. This is one of those cars that quietly built a reputation for being reliable, efficient, and surprisingly refined for its price. It shares a lot of engineering with Honda, but with a more upscale finish and better long-term durability than many luxury sedans in its class. Most TSX models come with a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine making around 201 horsepower. It is not about raw power, but it is smooth, dependable, and known for going well past 150,000 miles with very little drama. There is also a 3.5-liter V6 option with about 280 horsepower for drivers who want stronger acceleration. Both engines use a 5-speed automatic transmission that owners describe as consistent and low maintenance. Inside, the TSX feels clean and well thought out. Standard features include leather seats, dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth, power seats, a crisp rear camera, and a 7-speaker audio system. Higher trims offer navigation, a premium sound upgrade, heated front seats, and memory settings for the driver. It is a compact luxury sedan, but the cabin is comfortable and materials hold up extremely well with age. On the road, the TSX has a lighter, more connected feel compared to larger Acura models. It corners with confidence, the steering is precise, and the ride is firm without being harsh. It is the kind of car that works well for daily driving, long trips, or anyone who wants something easy to live with. For downsides, the rear seat space is a bit limited, and the 4-cylinder engine can feel modest during hard acceleration. As with any older luxury car, suspension components and rubber bushings should be inspected, especially on higher mileage examples. Overall, the 2011 to 2014 TSX is a smart, used luxury choice. It combines reliability, practical size, good equipment, and low ownership costs. It is one of those cars people often keep longer than planned because it simply does everything well. Next up is the Acura ILX from 2013 to 2018. This model is Acura's entry-level luxury sedan, and it became popular for one simple reason. It delivers a premium look and feel without the high running costs that usually come with luxury cars. Most ILX models use a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with around 150 horsepower, or the later 2.4-liter engine with 201 horsepower. The 2.4-liter is the preferred one among enthusiasts and long-term owners because it feels stronger and has a reputation for excellent reliability. Both engines are known for low maintenance needs and very few long-term mechanical problems. Inside, the ILX offers a clean, modern cabin. Standard features include leather or leatherette seats, dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth, a backup camera, keyless start, and a solid audio system. Higher trims add a touchscreen interface, navigation, heated seats, and an upgraded premium sound system. For a compact luxury sedan, the materials age well, and the cabin feels upscale without being complicated. On the road, the ILX is light, easy to drive, and efficient. It handles city driving smoothly and has enough power for highway cruising, especially with the 2.4-liter engine. The suspension is comfortable, and the steering feels predictable, making it a good everyday car for drivers who want something practical but still refined. As for downsides, the ILX is smaller than the TL or TSX, so rear seat space is limited. The 2.0-liter engine can feel underpowered, especially on hills or during quick acceleration. And because this is a more affordable luxury model, some sound insulation is thinner than in larger Acura sedans. Even with these trade-offs, the 2013 to 2018 Acura ILX is a smart choice for buyers who want a luxury badge, strong reliability, and low maintenance costs. It is one of the easiest luxury cars to own long-term, and that is exactly why so many people stick with it. Now let's talk about the Acura RDX from 2013 to 2018. This SUV became one of Acura's most trusted models because it blends comfort, reliability, and strong performance without making ownership expensive or complicated. This generation of the RDX comes with a 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces around 273 horsepower. It is smooth, quiet, and very durable, with a long track record of excellent reliability in real-world use. The 6-speed automatic transmission shifts cleanly and is known for holding up well even with higher mileage. The optional all-wheel drive system gives the RDX better traction in rain or snow and helps the SUV feel stable on the highway. Inside, the RDX delivers exactly what buyers expect from a premium SUV. Standard features include leather seats, heated front seats, power seats with memory for the driver, dual-zone climate control, a clear rear camera, Bluetooth, and a solid sound system. Higher trims add navigation, upgraded audio, a power liftgate, better insulation, and more advanced safety features. The cabin is comfortable, roomy, and built with materials that hold up well over time. On the road, the RDX is one of the most pleasant SUVs in its class to drive. The V6 has plenty of power for passing and merging, the suspension is comfortable without being too soft, and the steering feels stable and predictable. It is a great choice for long trips and everyday driving, especially for someone who wants a luxury SUV but does not want something bulky or difficult to handle. For downsides, fuel economy is average due to the V6 engine, and the infotainment system in the early years can feel dated compared to newer models. As with any SUV over 10 years old, checking suspension components and the condition of the rear shocks is a good idea. Overall, the 2013 to 2018 Acura RDX stands out as a dependable, comfortable, and practical luxury SUV. It is simple to own, easy to maintain, and offers the kind of long-term reliability that gives buyers real peace of mind. If this kind of clear, no-nonsense information is useful to you, go ahead and tap the like button so YouTube keeps showing you videos like this. And tell me in the comments if you've ever owned an Acura and how it treated you. Real experiences always add value here. Let's move on to the Acura MDX from 2017 to 2020. This is one of the most trusted three-row luxury SUVs you can buy used, and these years in particular brought important improvements in safety, technology, and overall refinement. Under the hood, the MDX uses a 3.5-liter V6 with about 290 horsepower. It is smooth, quiet, and known for lasting well beyond high mileage when maintained correctly. The available all-wheel drive system adds stability in rain and snow, and the 9-speed automatic transmission used in this generation responds well once properly updated and serviced. Inside, the MDX feels upscale and extremely practical. You get leather seats, tri-zone climate control, power front seats, a high-quality rear camera, Bluetooth, and a strong audio system. Most versions also include keyless entry, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a power liftgate, and heated front seats. Upper trims add navigation, ventilated seats, a surround view camera, upgraded leather, and a premium sound system. The second row is roomy, and the third row is useful for families or occasional passengers. On the road, the MDX drives like a lighter SUV than it looks. The V6 has plenty of power for highway passing, the suspension is comfortable without feeling soft, and the steering is stable and controlled. It is a great long-distance vehicle and one of the easiest three-row luxury SUVs to live with. For downsides, the 9-speed transmission in early years can feel a bit hesitant if it was never updated with the factory software patches. Fuel economy is average for a V6 SUV, and the third row is more suited to children or shorter adults. As with any larger SUV, checking suspension components and rear shocks is smart, especially on higher mileage examples. Overall, the 2017 to 2020 Acura MDX stands out for its blend of luxury, space, strong reliability, and lower-than-expected ownership costs. It is a safe pick for anyone who wants a three-row luxury SUV that still feels solid and dependable after many years. And finally, let's take a look at the Acura TLX from 2015 to 2018. This model replaced both the TL and the TSX, combining the best qualities of each into a more modern and efficient luxury sedan. The TLX came with two engine options. The 2.4-liter four-cylinder with about 206 horsepower is smooth, efficient, and well-known for long-term reliability. The 3.5-liter V6 with 290 horsepower delivers stronger acceleration and a more refined feel on the highway. The 2.4 uses an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that shifts quickly and keeps the engine responsive, while the V6 comes with a 9-speed automatic that offers quiet and comfortable cruising. Acura refined these transmissions over the years, and most updated units perform well when properly serviced. Inside, the TLX feels clean and modern. Standard equipment includes leatherette or real leather seats, dual-zone climate control, keyless start, Bluetooth, a rear camera, and power front seats. Most models also offer the dual-screen infotainment setup, heated seats, a sunroof, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and forward collision warning. Upper trims add navigation, upgraded audio, and higher quality interior materials. The cabin has good space for a mid-size sedan and excellent noise insulation on the highway. On the road, the TLX is comfortable and easy to drive. The 2.4-liter version is light and balanced, while the V6 models, especially with all-wheel drive, feel solid and confident in all types of weather. Steering is predictable. The suspension absorbs bumps well, and overall it feels like a well-built, well-tuned luxury sedan. There are a few things to keep in mind. The dual-screen infotainment system can feel dated and a bit slow compared to modern competitors. Early 9-speed transmissions may feel hesitant if they never received software updates. And, as with any used luxury sedan, checking suspension components and brake wear is important. Even so, the 2015 to 2018 Acura TLX offers a great mix of style, comfort, reliability, and owner satisfaction. It delivers the feel of a premium sedan without the heavy maintenance costs that normally come with luxury brands, making it a smart and safe choice in today's used market. And that's our list. 6 Acura models that continue to prove themselves year after year. If you found this guide helpful, make sure you're subscribed so you never miss the next breakdown of reliable used cars. And now I want to hear from you. If you've owned an Acura, tell us how it treated you. Real experiences are what keep this community strong. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.